everyone, my name is Kathleen Hansen and this is my Vocal Warmups with Kathleen YouTube channel. I thought we could do another 10-minute vocal warm-up, this time accompaniment only. So I'll demonstrate each exercise once or twice and then I will leave the singing to you. And as always, feel free to switch octaves as you need to and the exercises are listed below. Before we start singing, take a moment to align the body. We want to find balance, release tension, and invite in openness with a natural, easy breath. Let's start now on a lip trill, like if that lip trill doesn't work for you, you can always try something like a hum or another occluded sound like v or zh. Again, it sounds like this. All you. Great job. Now let's move to a coo sound, like coo. This is just very gentle phonation. No need to prove anything, no need to sing too loudly, just gentle and easy. Again, that's coo. Great, and let's just sigh down together. Checking in on alignment and relaxation. Retaining that feeling of sigh, let's sing on the sounds ho, ah, ee, ah, oh. All of the sounds glide together like ho, ah, ee, ah, oh. Give it a try. Nicely done. Let's focus for a moment on an engaged breath onset. We can be a little bit more vigorous than we would while we're singing. We just want to make sure that the correct muscles are engaging. Let's sing on hum mama, like hum mama hum mama hum mama hum mama hum mama hum mama hum. Again, that's up and down 4 notes. I'll do it one more time. Hum mama hum mama hum mama hum mama hum mama hum mama hum. In case you haven't heard, my mobile app for singers, which is called Vocal Warmups with Kathleen, is available for all platforms. There are now dozens of warm-ups to choose from on the go. It's got some great new features and it's super easy to use. Check out the links below or find me on the app or Google Play stores. With a very relaxed feeling now, we're going to descend on ya, ya, ya. Just make sure that the jaw and tongue are released and moving together. We don't need to over-open, but we also don't want to be tight and motionless. We'll sing the following pattern. Ya, ya, ya. Here we go. Great, let's move into a little bit more interval work now, and we'll sing the words money, money, mo. Everything feels like it's right up at the front of the mouth. We can sing money, 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 mo. Again, that's money, 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 mo. Your turn. Finally, let's finish up with a little bit of range work as we sing on an arpeggio. We're going to sing on the word go, like go. As we move higher, feel free to adjust to a more open vowel like ah or ah. Again, we'll sing on go, go. And let's sigh down again. Thank you as always for singing with me. When you like and subscribe and comment and share, it really does help my channel. Hit that notification bell if you want to be notified when I publish videos. I have some great new things coming out this year. Also, do check out my app. Keep singing. I'll see you next time.